Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Keeping My Life in Order, your life, your journey, and lifestyle that fits for you. In today's video, guys, we are going to do a massive, oh my god, decluttering of my closet. Now, I will be honest with you guys, it's probably going to be a part 2 to this video. It'll be a part 1 and part 2 to the video because there's a lot of things that I'm showing you guys in the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this gives you guys some kind of cleaning motivation to get your closets organized, because you guys, this was a big, huge, when I say huge job for me. There are going to be some clips in the video where you're just going to see where I've already accomplished some things, because the way my closet set up, you guys, is just like, okay, it's only so many ways that I can actually, position the camera, but this is what I have gotten done so far, and it was so much stuff in my closet, y'all, stuff that's not even supposed to be on there. So now we're going to concentrate on the top part of the closet. So without further ado, you guys, let's go ahead and get started with the video.
Teach my soul to sing your song, even when my eyes can't see. When I can't seem to carry on, I know your hand is guiding me. I know your hand is guiding me. Through the valley I may walk, but you are all I'll ever need. Gave your life to take my fall, so in the storm I will have peace. So come.
If you haven't seen the video of how I organized my sneaker collection, please go and check out that video, guys. I'm very detailed about how I organize my tennis shoes. Currently, they are actually in their original shoe boxes, but in the future, I will be looking for some clear shoe boxes to purchase. So if you guys are interested in sneakers and things like that, please go and check out that video. You will really enjoy it.
And when it seems I'm at the end, and I don't know what I believe, through the cloud I see your hand, reaching down to guide me. You're always reaching down to guide me, 'cause I am yours and I am free. Teach my soul to sing your song, even when my eyes can't see. When I can't seem to carry on, I know your hand is guiding me. I know your hand is guiding me.
All right, you guys, I got these 5-tier shelving units from a place here in Georgia called Roses, and they were like $19.99. But you guys, you can get these from anywhere. You can get them from, they sell them in Big Lots, they sell them in Walmart. You can even order them on Amazon. I already had one in my closet. I actually have one in my master bedroom where all my beauty my body sprays, and lotions sit on. But I wanted to get another one because I do have another reason why I want to be able to place some more items on the second one here in the closet, which you'll be seeing shortly. So at the second part of this video, guys, we will be actually decluttering my clothes. It's time for me to get rid of some things and out with an O, because your girl is trying to shed some pounds, and also it's just time for a new wardrobe change and things like that. So yeah, you guys, but if you're interested in getting some shelving units, if you need some more things to organize and things like that, these are very, very affordable, and they're not huge and bulky or anything like that, so they don't take up a whole lot of space, but it makes everything look so nice in your closet or whatever you want, wherever you want to use to store them. Some people have things like this in their garage, some people have them in their laundry room, so it just depends on what the purpose that you'll need them for, but they're very, very good for organizing items. This is what I have accomplished, y'all, and I'm so proud of myself. I don't know what to do. Like, y'all, it is so crazy how really good my closet really looks, and I'm really proud of myself. The only thing I have to do now is work on these this right here. This is a situation, y'all. So I'm gonna get rid of a lot of these clothes. I'm gonna give away them, because give away a lot of these clothes, and I'm gonna be really honest with myself, because just certain things I just don't wear like that, because I need to make room for when I start doing more photo shoots and stuff like that. And I think a lot of my keeping my life in order gear, I'm gonna go ahead and start housing it downstairs in my warehouse slash office. So I think that's what I'm gonna do too. But yeah, so I went ahead and purchased these hangers right here. You know, these are pretty popular. So I got these from Ross, and it was $9.99. I got 75. Hopefully that will be enough. If not, I'm gonna make it enough, okay? But yeah, I got those. So that's the next big thing, and I already told you guys about what I'm gonna do about this situation. My shoe boxes and stuff, about my shoe boxes. But yeah, it looks real good. I'm so proud of myself, y'all. Like, woo.
So in the storm I will have peace. So come the storm, I'll still believe.